everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get a Google search bar back on your Android phone. So what we can do is just hold down on the home screen here, and then what we want to do is go to Widgets. So let's select this. Then we can just find the Google widget. So we got Google Chrome right there. We can just go on down to Google, tap Google, and then find the search bar. Then we can just go to Add. Then we can just drag this to the certain page we want. So let's go to the front page here. Maybe on the top is fine. We can make it bigger if we want, or smaller, but we can just place it on the top, and then we can start using the Google search bar really easy. So if you accidentally deleted it by going to remove, just go ahead and do that, and you should be able to get it back and go to settings, and you can make this more transparent if you want. Add a shortcut for translation, songs, and search. So maybe I'll try that out. Let's try translator on here. So what one do I want? This one. So looks like I can easily just press that button to go to translate. So let's go back now and just try that out. And I think that's it. You can make it lighter or darker too. So let's go back and go to Google Translate. Oh, that is, it just goes to google.com/translate. Okay, well, here it is if you want to use it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.